Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So recently the Blackberry company declares to bring a new smartphone on the world mobile market as soon as possible, which named Blackberry Evolve X2 5G. In other words, have you ever used any Blackberry smartphone before, or you are currently using it right now? Let me know your experience in the comment below. Furthermore, the smartphone comes in 4 new colors, which named Mocha Brown, Black, Champagne Gold, and Pink Gold. If you want to buy a high-performance Blackberry smartphone from the local mobile market, the Blackberry Evolve X2 5G 2021 flagship comes with a 6.9 inches Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, 1B color display, and protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7. It has a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. So nowadays, when a customer wants to buy a new smartphone, they are fast checking the memory capacity of the phone. The memory means RAM, ROM, internal storage, and an extra microSD card. Blackberry Evolve X2 5G will come with 8GB and 12GB of RAM and 128GB, 256GB, 512GB of storage, which is enough to run Android 12 version like the Nokia X 2021. The Blackberry upcoming flagship Evolve X2 5G is powered by Polymer 6300 mAh non-removable battery. The fast battery charging is a common special feature for a flagship device, so this phone included 45W quick battery charging features. It has dual SIM and both SIM are supporting GSM, 3G, HSPA+, LTE, 5G technology. On the sensor section, Blackberry added all the latest sensors features like as fingerprint, under-display ultrasonic, Face ID, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, barometer. We hope above all the sensor works very smoothly. So talking about the price, Blackberry Evolve X2 5G rumored at the starting price will be $690. So on the release date there is no official confirmation news available at this moment about the Blackberry upcoming smartphone Evolve X2 5G 2021. We think the upcoming Blackberry smartphone Evolve X2 5G 2021 release in December 17, 2021, or it may be late to release for features update or company issue. Speaking on the camera section, Blackberry added a quad 108MP primary lens plus 32MP ultra-wide lens plus 16MP wide sensor plus 5MP depth sensor as front camera. For selfie, it has a 64MP camera. Regular camera features like Zeiss optics, LED flash, panorama, HDR are added. Now, you can easily pick a picture or selfie by using front cameras. Well, that is all the latest news we have heard about Blackberry Evolve X2. Let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.